everyone. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to do a loyalty program for your Magento 2 store. Magento 2 is an exciting platform. It's an amazing platform if you want to offer a lot of customization to your store and also have the flexibility to really deploy your ideal working scenarios for your e-commerce brand. Lootly integrates directly with Magento 2, and the process for installation is super simple. I'm going to link the guidelines for installing Lootly on your Magento 2 store into the description box in the video below. So once you complete the installation process of Magento, you would be able to navigate to our configuration screen for the plugin in your Magento backend, where you can set up a couple of basic functionalities that are kind of must-have or must be configured before you can start processing data for your customers and issuing points for their orders and other activities. So you would be setting up the trigger status for when Lootly receives order data, and you can also set some advanced options on whether you want to show widgets on your checkout page, whether you want coupons to be auto-applied on the checkout, and some other things which can be seen on that specific screen. If you have any questions around those functionalities, please feel free to let us know. So once you're in your Lootly account and you want to start setting up your programs, you're going to start with, or you're going to land on your dashboard screen, which looks pretty much like this, and you can see a bunch of information displayed here, which currently are all zeros because this is a test account, obviously. So you're going to start working with your points and rewards program. Then you can set up your referral program, your tier loyalty or VIP tiers, and then you can set up an affiliate program. In your points and rewards, the first step is obviously setting up earning actions, which can range from giving points for purchases, creating store accounts, celebrating birthdays, anniversaries. You can give points for reviews, for starting subscriptions, and you can also give points for a lot of other actions that might be revenue generating or just simply engagement actions, ranging from buying specific products or from specific categories, making referrals to your store, or just spending a specific amount of money or placing a specific number of orders at your store. In addition to all of these built-in actions, which are accessible through the Add Action button here, you also have the option to add a custom API action or integrate your third-party apps via Zapier with Lootly and issue points for marketing or for customer behaviors that happen on those specific apps. All of your actions are going to be completely customizable. So if you have any specific icons you want to upload here or change the name of your actions to be more on brand, you have the option to do that very easily. There is no need for any developer help or around this step of setting out the programs or for any changes. Everything is very easy and very seamless to do. You can do bonus point campaigns, which is essentially a point multiplier event. And the cool thing about this feature is that it's out of the box built, which means that you do not have to manipulate your programs in order to get that type of outcome in your program. And then you also have really cool conditional logic into those features, which essentially allows you to run the program on a per product or category of product basis with just a simple click, and again, no manipulation of other aspects of your program in order to achieve that outcome. The spending section of the program allows you to configure the different rewards that you can offer in your program to your customers. Those can range from fixed amount discount to percentage off, variable amount discount, free shipping, free product. And you can also offer something like a custom reward, which essentially is fulfilled by you. Next, you're going to want to set a referral program, which essentially allows you to use your existing customers to acquire new customers through a sort of word-of-mouth marketing. So for the referral program, you're going to set rewards that are both for the sender of the referral and for the receiver. And here you can do anything from points to discounts, and you can also use gift cards in certain cases for your sender rewards if that works for your brand, of course. You can do different sharing channels for referrals. Facebook, Twitter, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, email with fully customizable messaging for all of them is available in our platform, and it will depend entirely up to you which channels you want to offer to your customers. You can also deploy different methods for referrals, such as in-widget settings. You can do a pop-up on a specific URL. You can do an embed form, which kind of works like a house for your referral program. And then you can also do a site tab, which allows you to kind of give access to the referral program for virtually any page on your site. Next, you're going to think about VIP tiers. The VIP tiers allow you to segment your customers into different tiers and offer benefits so they can be motivated enough to kind of become those best customers within your customer base. You can do as many tiers as you want to within this program, and you can offer benefits ranging from point multipliers to lifetime rewards and custom rewards. And then you can do conditions if you want to offer benefits specifically for a specific customer group within your customer base. If you need help or want suggestions around creating your VIP tiered program, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to do some analysis and provide a strategy recommendation for how to achieve your goal, whether that's increasing the average order value or increasing the repurchase rate, or just maybe pushing your customers to become like those best customers that you already have. Finally, you can do an affiliate program. So the affiliate program suite basically is allowing you to create a program for affiliates, which you will manage, you will deploy, and you will kind of organize around like how orders will be received and how you're going to pay out commissions to your affiliates, and also how all of that is going to look like on your site, starting with the application process, which again is built within Lootly, and then you can simply customize it and deploy it onto your site. Okay, so once all of your programs are configured, you have the option to simply enable them in their settings. And then the most important thing is going to be the display elements on your site, which can be the program widget or the program page, or combined together, which is always our recommendation. And once you have those live on your store, your program essentially is live, and then your customers can start interacting, earning points, and spending points to acquire those discounts. We do integrate with your, potentially with your tech stack. We integrate with a lot of marketing apps, a lot of apps for email marketing, for reviews, subscriptions, for data analysis, for support. So basically, we can kind of help you create that cohesive process for loyalty marketing, where you can like track data for your customers across multiple tools and personalize their experience with that loyalty data. From a reporting perspective, we do provide reports for the performance of your program, and also for the performance and the breakdown of the performance per program, including a tracking for your emails. Lootly does allow you to send transactional emails to your customers, so that is something that we support within the platform. And it is fully customizable from a design perspective, and also from a perspective of like which transaction or which action you want people to be notified for. Now, as it comes to the reporting, we do also provide a report for those emails, so you can track how people interact with them, and who receives like which reward. So that would pretty much be the Lootly platform. Magento customers have a lot of flexibility for deployment of programs such as Lootly. And the process is pretty easy and it's pretty seamless. And certainly we're here with our entire support team to help you get the program that will best serve your customers and drive you closer to achieving your business goals. So feel free to book a demo with us. I'm going to leave the link for booking a demo in the description box below. And feel free to share with us which business goals you want to achieve, and we'll be happy to explore how we can help you get that job done.